This is our makefile, which only builds and executes our main program if internet is in range. After execution, it deletes the main executable file. In the beginning of our main program, the retrieve data function is called. For accessing it, a header file bashcalls.h is included where the function is declared. This is the bashcalls.c file. The function definition in bashcalls.c sends a system call to the terminal to execute the dataautomation.sh file and retrieve its output. The bash file makes an API request to retrieve raw data which gets stored in the following format. Now we parse the raw data for processing it. This parse data function returns an environmental data object, which is a struct defined in bashcalls.h. This struct stores temperature, humidity, visibility, and weather description. Our parsing function uses the CJSON library to extract the relevant data and store it in the struct utilizing proper error handling. The check anomaly function in bashcalls.c detects an anomaly when the temperature exceeds 30 degrees in winter or when the visibility is less than 1000 meters. This triggers the mud command, which in turn sends an email to the relevant persona. Now we save the extracted data using the savedata function. It stores the CJSON data in envirostore.json with the date and time of accession. Dynamic memory allocation is also used in this function. The extracted data is stored as follows. Before executing, I'll change the anomaly criteria to show the email. Let's begin the execution. This is the raw data extracted right now. This is the processed form of data. Oof, looks like it's going to be a very cold day today. The reporting system uses a bash file to retrieve data from the envirostore.json file. From this processed data, only the data of 1 week from the previous Monday to the following Sunday is extracted using the jQuery library. Using the awk language, the average and minimum and maximum of the data is calculated. The data is then formatted for storage in the DAT file so that it can be utilized for data visualization. This is the format of printing the report. The plot script of the GNU plot library creates the graph plotting. In the end, a mut command is used to mail the report and graph to the relevant personnel. Now let's run the bash file. This is how the report gets printed. This is the graph plot created. This is how I created the jobs using crontab for executing the main program daily and a report program weekly. Finally, this is our README file, opened in preview mode. I hope you liked our project. Thank you.